Welcome back to Joint Tutorials. Today I am going to take class 9 biology subject lesson 1 cell, its structure and functions. Okay, part 5. Now I am going to discuss nucleus. Nucleus discovered by Rutherford scientist. Okay, here nucleus followed by different parts. Here outer surrounded by nuclear membrane. It is double membrane structure. This nuclear membrane, it contains many pores. It's a porous layer. It allows substances inside and outside. Inside in nucleoplasm and outside cytoplasm. Here this is a nuclear membrane. Next one, inside a nucleoplasm, it's a fluid part. Here nucleoplasm dense sap like fluid. This nucleoplasm float in nucleolus and chromatin nucleus float in nucleoplasm. Okay, suspended in nucleoplasm. Here chromatin is the genetic material. These are the thread-like structures is made up of DNA and protein. Chromosome name was given by Waldeyer. Waldeyer in 1988. Okay. Here nucleolus. Nucleus is darkly stained body. Okay. Sometimes some cells contain more than one nucleolus. Okay. It contains ribosomes. It helps in ribosomal synthesis. We will call ribosomal factory. Okay, this nucleus is a prominent spherical structure. It's big in size. This nucleus is located in animal cells, its center. In plant cells, it is located in peripheral region. Okay, it's very important. It controls and coordinates all other organelles. It is the brain of the cell. Okay, this is about nucleus. Based on the nuclear membrane, arrangement of nuclear membrane, here well organized nucleus, not well organized nucleus. Okay, here based on the arrangement of nuclear membrane, here prokaryotes, okay, eukaryotes, prokaryotes. Pro means before, karyotes means nucleus, not well organized nucleus. There is no nuclear membrane, there is no membrane bounded structures, only nucleoid, cytoplasm, nuclear membrane, ribosomes only present in prokaryotes. Example, bacteria and cyanobacteria. Okay, here eukaryotes, it's well organized nucleus, all organelles are present. Example, plants and animals. Okay, this is about eukaryotes. Next one, cytoplasm. Next one, cytoplasm. This is the fluid part. Okay, nucleus discussed, cell membrane or plasma membrane discussed. In middle, cytoplasm. Okay, this is very important. This is fluid part. Before previous, cytoplasm versus protoplasm. Cytoplasm versus protoplasm. Protoplasm versus cytoplasm. Here before previous, they believe that this is a life inside the cell, so they call life fluid. Okay, after they get a clear idea, they think this is a fluid media, all organelles will float in this media. Okay, they coin the name. Okay, coin the name cytoplasm. Coin the name cytoplasm. Protoplasm is nothing but cytoplasm. Okay, it's fluid part. Here cytoplasm is here divided into two parts, cytosol and cell organelles. Cytosol and cell organelles. Cytosol is a liquid part. Okay, liquid part, fluid part. Okay, dense sap. This cytosol contains proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, water, etc. These are all materials inside the cytosol. Okay, this is liquid part. Next one, cell organelles. Membrane bounded structures like ribosomes, lysosomes, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, lysosomes, mitochondria. See, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These are all organelles are cell organelles. Okay, cytoplasm is divided into cytosol, liquid part, and cell organelles. These cell organelles float in cytoplasm. Okay, next one, endoplasmic reticulum. Next one, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum discovered by Emilio Verratti. He is a Belgian scientist. Emilio Verratti. Okay, Belgian scientist. This nucleus surrounded by endoplasmic reticulum. It makes like a network. Okay, this endoplasmic reticulum connected to the nucleus to the cell membrane. Okay, it's connected nucleus to cell membrane. Okay, it's make channels. This endoplasmic reticulum based on appearance, two types.